We'll guide you through how to add a photo over a video on CapCut. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on CapCut. So I've got a video and I want to go and put a photo over it. You can do this with an existing CapCut project or a new one. So in this case, I'm going to create a new one. So you can go to the bottom left and press edit, and then you can press new video. Choose the video you want to do this with, press add in the bottom right. Of course, if you've got multiple videos, that's fine. Go and place the playback cursor where you want to go and do this. Of course, you can go and adjust the photo and the duration of it in a moment. I'll show you that. But for now, we'll just go and place the cursor here. You want to make sure you have not got the video selected. You'll know this because there'll be a back button in the bottom left. So press that in the middle at the bottom and select the overlay option. Then press add overlay. Now at the top, you want to go and press photos and choose the photo you want to use. I'll use this one. So I've got it selected and we'll then go and press add, and there it is. Now what you can do is you can go in the preview and you can click, hold and drag to go and position it, and you can go and pinch on it to go and resize it to your liking. I want to have it perfectly in the middle like so. Then you can go and see in the timeline and you can tap and hold that start endpoint to adjust the duration. Tap and hold it, and you can then go and drag it as well to go and change the position. Press animations or effects to go and choose how it comes in and how it goes out as well, which can be cool. Now you can play it back and there it is. Of course, now we can go and export it or continue editing it.